Welcome to English Learning from Scratch. Today we learn the prefix under. This prefix changes word meanings in English. Under means too little or not enough. It shows something less than needed, like insufficient amount or below what is required. Under also means below or beneath something. It shows position lower than normal level, like under the surface or lower position. Underestimate means judge too low or think something is less important. Underpaid means paid too little money for work done. Underground means below the ground or earth's surface. Underweight means weighing too little or less than normal. Undercooked means not cooked enough, still raw inside. Underdeveloped means not grown or progressed enough. Don't underestimate her abilities means don't think too little of her skills. Workers feel underpaid means they get too little money. The subway runs underground means below the ground. Under means too little, below, or beneath. Now you understand this prefix. Practice these words to remember better.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.